Last week, I was away to attend a funeral service for a close relative. While away, I took note of an article that was published in the Daily Herald stating that based on a partial recording that was released, an MP was threatened by my person. I wish to refute this article for the simple reason that is absolutely not what took place. I wish to also reiterate that what I stated many times before, and I will state again, I was not contacted for a statement on the matter before this article was published, which is unfortunate. Nevertheless, we are here now, so I will briefly address the situation to give some clarity to the people of St. Martin. The meeting that was requested with both MPs of the PFP fraction was very genuine on my end. I invited them in because the member of parliament in question, who secretly recorded me in my office, was asking me questions on the floor of parliament pertaining to the Alegria situation, and I thought a sit-down conversation would bring some clarity on many things. The question that the MP asked indicated that he was against the issuance of the water rights. However, this did not coincide with the meeting minutes that Alegria sent to the ministry, indicating that the MP, who was then the acting head of the department, was positive about the issuance and water rights of Alegria at the time, and he attended meetings with them. The minutes also show where the now MP was basically asking Alegria how much they want to pay. This is actually not normal practice, as the ministry has proper guidelines in place where persons should pay per square meter. So asking a person, in this case Alegria, what they want to pay seems improper to me and is definitely not the norm. Seeing that the MP was a new, young MP, and I considered a close culture we have in St. Martin as St. Martiners, I decided to welcome him to my office to have a conversation with him about the seemingly contradictory situation. I explained to the MP that I wanted clarity due to the fact that he is asking me certain questions on the floor of Parliament. But based on these minutes meeting with Alegria, of which he was an active participant, if I were to answer those questions according to the minutes and relay his comments, he would not be looking good in the public's eye, simply because even though the minutes hold no legal weight, as he mentioned, the MP did not defend himself or dispute at the time as acting head those minutes.